Everyone, today I'm going to do a little bit of a throwback video in a lot of ways. So let's go ahead and get into what you guys know this video is about. A My Chemical Romance Coffin box unboxing. A lot of you guys, if you're fans of this band, would probably remember that several years back they released the Black Parade is Dead box set. So what that was is it was a CD-DVD combo that you could buy regularly, or you could get this coffin box that I just showed you. Inside the coffin box there is a MCR mask. They were designed by each member of the band, so there are 5 different ones to collect. Unfortunately, you can't buy the masks separately. You have to buy the full box. So I got one that was fairly cheap. As far as these things go. They do run up in the $200 range. I was able to snag this one at $125 with free shipping. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for the first time with you guys. I have opened it and looked at it, but I haven't taken everything out. And I've definitely not taken the mask out yet, so I'm very excited to do that. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. So as you can see, when you first open, there is a death certificate on top. And this is going to have the item number. So this, there were 10,000 of these made. This is number 415. You can see at the top left. It's signed, printed signed, by each member of the band here at the bottom, and it tells which, well, I thought it had one of these for each one, but I guess not. So it does say date of birth, date of death, cause of death, overexposure to elements, and the date that this was released, which was October 2007. This is not the end of MCR. That was a separate album that they did, which I also have mixed feelings about. Black Parade was not one of my favorite albums, so I didn't get this when it first came out. Over time, I've gotten an appreciation for it, so I decided to go ahead and get this. I did get this separate album though, so I have duplicates, but yeah. So this was, the date of birth is when they did the Black Parade, and then their final Black Parade is Dead, which there is a little booklet which you don't get if you didn't get this box, and it's, I assume, yeah, photos from the Black Parade is Dead show in Mexico, which was a very awesome show. I actually really loved that show. I went to the Black Parade tour, and I went to the Revenge tour, so the theatrics were definitely upped for this one. But let's go ahead and I'm gonna set this down and take everything out bit by bit. So we saw this, and let's see if I can find some cool shots in here. Classic right there. Frank. There we go. So that's pretty much that. Again, here is the death certificate if you want to have a longer look at that. And then there is a foam insert, which I'm not going to take the foam out, but this is the Black Parade is Dead album. So the point of this album was the actual concert. So it is a DVD CD set of the live songs. So there's that. And then the mask. So the mask that I got was the Mikey mask. Of all of them, it is probably the most simple, but I feel like almost the most creepy. So here it is. It is actually very heavy. And I don't think it's ever been taken out because it's still filled with salt flakes, wood flakes. So there's that. And then the My Chemical Romance stamp on the back. It's not in absolute perfect condition, but I really don't care. I'm not going to sell it or anything. It's very cool. It's like ceramic or something. Or paper mache maybe, I don't know. So yeah, that is it. That is this box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a super short video this time. I just kind of wanted to share this with you guys, as well as giving myself a reason to actually open it and not just let it sit there. I might try to collect these masks, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, it's super cool. Like I said, this is a really creepy mask. Yeah, I thought it was super cool, and I thought if there are any people out there that still love the band like I do, you might enjoy it. If not, it's just like a bonus video for you. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!